Have you ever imagined spending thousands of dollars on a single night in a hotel? How about sleeping in a room that has a movie theater, gold-trimmed bathrooms, and butler service? So feel like a king or queen in a royal penthouse, or just bask in the luxury that comes with our top 10 most luxurious hotels in the world. Some of these are sure to be jaw-dropping. You are going to want to experience at least one of these places in your lifetime, so start saving now. Well, you can dream, right? And to ensure that you don't miss a single video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. President Wilson. Facing Lake Geneva and minutes away from the most beautiful parks and boutiques along the famous Rue du Rhône, the iconic hotel is one of the most contemporary addresses in Geneva, set against the breathtaking backdrop of Mont Blanc. With elegant furnishings and stylish amenities, guest rooms and suites are beautifully appointed and equipped with the highest quality devices, while floor-to-ceiling windows boast distinctive views. The Royal Suite, for example, sprawls across the entire 8th floor, also making it the largest hotel suite in Europe. The 18,000-square-foot pad has 12 bedrooms, bulletproof glass, a Steinway grand piano, a billiard table, a lake-facing jacuzzi, a home cinema system, and a telescope for stargazing. And all of these luxuries can be reached by your own private elevator. But wait, there's more. You can also have a private chef whip you up any meal you want, as well as a personal assistant to help manage your admin. So if you're in Geneva, Switzerland, then this is the hotel for you. Conrad Maldives. Applauded by Time magazine as one of the world's greatest destinations, the Conrad Maldives is a tropical island paradise. The luxurious resort sprawls across 2 islands, surrounded by vibrant coral reefs and crystal-clear lagoons. It was the first resort to showcase water villas built on stilts above the lagoon and offer undersea dining at its famous restaurant, Ithaca. Its wine and cheese bar was a Maldivian first, and the celebrity chef restaurant, Yufa by Jerim Lung, complements the 12 other award-winning restaurants and bars. It also has 2 spas and a roster of activities to keep boredom at bay. For a true luxury experience, the 2-level Murica suite boasts a master bedroom 16 feet below sea level. With floor-to-ceiling windows, it is a great way to see the local marine life. There's also an outdoor deck with a private infinity pool and hot tub. Private jet skis, a butler, and a private chef, as well as an on-call fitness trainer, make your stay extra special. Raj Palace Hotel. Most people imagine rich golds, deep reds, and chandeliers everywhere when thinking of opulence and royalty. Imagine a hotel, no, a palace really, that offers this kind of luxury. It exists. Defined by grand opulence, this palatial hotel in India is one of the world's grandest accommodation options. From the rich fabrics and decor to the stunning overall structure and charm, this palace is the oldest mansion in Jaipur. But don't worry, the accommodations are modern and sleek. The presidential suites are truly something to write home about. The Maharaja's Pavilion in the Raj Palace is one of the most exclusive accommodations in Jaipur, offering 20,000 square feet of luxury and seclusion, with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms with Italian marble. Guests staying in the suite will also enjoy the services of a dedicated butler, chauffeur, concierge, guest relations manager, masseuse, and private chef. FYI, the Maharaja's Pavilion has been selected for the Luxury Award. With impressive arches, ornate wall decorations, pillars, and courtyards, not only is the palace spectacular, but the history of the place seems to come alive. Hotel Martinez. Providing authentic hospitality since the 1930s, the hotel's long and rich history, culture, and timeless architectural beauty, elegance, and sophistication continue to ensure it is one of the top European luxury hotels. This hotel has the largest private beach for guests, as well as expensive amenities and a strong emphasis on service. It is home to the only 2-star Michelin culinary restaurant in Cannes, as well as the El Rafael Spa. Hotel Martinez is home to this massive penthouse suite that offers a wood-paneled terrace overlooking the private beach. It has 2 master bedrooms, a massive living and dining room, and 2 bathrooms sporting marble finishes. The chicly designed room features original paintings by Matisse and Picasso. Soak up the rays on the terrace sun loungers and request a gourmet meal from your 24-hour butler. Alternatively, you might do it from the comfort of a beachfront jacuzzi. Atlantis Paradise. Welcome to paradise. Inspired by the mythical Lost City, Atlantis Paradise Island is not only one of the most stunning hotels in the Caribbean, but also the biggest resort there. Actually, it is a complex with 5 hotels: the Royal, the Cove, the Reef, the Coral, and the Harborside Resort. Spread over 141 acres, the complex has 11 swimming pools, 21 restaurants, 19 bars and lounges, an 18-hole golf course, and a water park. There's also the 30,000 square foot Mandara Spa, specializing in Balinese therapies. Atlantis Resorts are known for their masterfully crafted suites and generous room spaces, beautifully appointed with the finest amenities for a luxurious and relaxing stay. If you're not trying to watch your money, Atlantis may be for you and your family, and the Royal Bridge Suite will definitely be your choice. Located between the two towers on the 23rd floor of the Royal, luxurious accommodation with a panoramic view is spread over 232 square meters and boasts 10 rooms. Emirates Palace. Located on a gorgeous private beach, is the pinnacle of luxury in Abu Dhabi, demonstrating Arabian hospitality at its finest. The resort features lush gardens, a magnificent spa, 2 temperature-controlled swimming pools, a kids club, and a private marina, as well as 14 dining locations serving a variety of cuisines prepared by world-renowned chefs. The hotel has magnificent rooms, tennis courts, and a big spa that takes up a lot of space. Add to that the gold bar vending machines and 1,002 Swarovski crystal chandeliers, as well as the atrium, with its dome coated in 22-karat gold leaf and ornamented with 13 different colors of marble imported from India, China, and Spain, and you have a truly spectacular sight. Each of the resort's rooms and suites is luxuriously appointed, with silky fabrics, chandeliers, and, of course, gold leaf. Inside the palatial marble bathrooms, you'll find free butler service, a pillow menu, iPad control stations, and a jacuzzi with a separate rain shower. The Plaza, New York. Since its inception in 1907, the Plaza has hosted international leaders, diplomats, captains of industry, Broadway stars, and Hollywood aristocracy. However, it is much more than just a historic site. This premium hotel's guest rooms and baths are grandly sumptuous, with glittering fixtures, crystal chandeliers, and a location right on the doorstep of Central Park. The beautiful Palm Court restaurant, as well as the fun and casual food courts in the cellar, are among the elegant lobby spaces. And of course, how could we forget the hotel's many dining options, highlighted by the Rose Club? Complete with plush lounge seating and an array of signature cocktails, this legendary space is luxury at its finest. The Plaza also has one-of-a-kind rooms and suites. Consider the palatial Royal Suite 3-bedroom, which is a lavishly appointed, 3-bedroom suite with private elevator access, overlooking Fifth Avenue and the legendary Pulitzer Fountain. A favorite of heads of state, large families, and those seeking to entertain in grand style, the Royal Suite offers the most extraordinary experience at the Plaza. Titanic Martin Palace. Look no further than the Titanic Martin Palace for all-inclusive luxury on the Mediterranean coastline. It is the signature of a unique splendor with the right combination of exquisite, exclusive service and Turkish hospitality with remarkable architecture inspired by the Ottoman Empire. At this huge estate, guests may enjoy over 30 dining options, a championship golf course, water sports activities, entertainment options, a world-class spa, spectacular vistas, and a private beach with white sand from Egypt. The King's Suite is nothing short of extraordinary. At 600 square meters in size, this splendid suite is located on the 8th floor of the main building, with panoramic vistas of the pool, the sea, and the forest, and includes 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. One of the bathrooms features a sauna. The suite also includes a cinema room and a private terrace with a pool and plenty of space to lounge and enjoy the sunshine. Private butler service is available throughout the duration of your stay. Palms Casino Resort. While there are many luxury properties to choose from on the Las Vegas Strip, the Palms is known for its iconic high-rolling atmosphere. For when one story just isn't enough, take the 2-story Sky Villa for example. About as luxurious and unique as a hotel room can get, this 8,500 square foot oasis features a 17-seat bar, a fitness center, a massage room, a game area, a private pool overlooking the lights of Vegas, and much more. Then there's the themed Hardwood Suite, which is dubbed a 10,000 square foot arena featuring a private basketball court, professional locker room, pool table, whiskey room, and 11 televisions. But if you want more, the Empathy Suite has been home to some of the most high-profile parties Las Vegas has ever seen and is designed with entertaining in mind. You'll get 2 master bedrooms, massage tables, a cantilevered jacuzzi that overlooks the Las Vegas Strip, a salt relaxation room, and a private tour of the property's art collection and amenities. So, if you've got the spare cash, then treat yourself. Burj Al Arab. Since its opening in 1999, the Burj Al Arab has been referred to as the world's first 7-star hotel or the most luxurious hotel in the world. While the company does not refer to itself in this manner, it's easy to see why others do. The Burj Al Arab is an all-suite hotel with double stories and luxury duplexes ranging in size, built on an artificial island off the shore of Dubai's pristine sandy beaches. Each suite includes an extensive selection of complimentary Hermes toiletries, a pillow menu with 17 selections, and a bath menu with a butler on hand to explain the various alternatives. The presidential 2-bedroom suite is a lavish living space over 2 floors. Enjoy a suite designed for high society and watch the tranquil waters flow beneath you through floor-to-ceiling windows. Then recline in your 2 grand and luxurious bedrooms, served by 2 separate dressing rooms and 2 private bars. The hotel focuses on grandeur to satisfy the guests, with 6 high-end restaurants, a rooftop helipad, a Rolls-Royce shuttle service from the airport, and walls covered in 24-karat gold leaf. And if all of that isn't enough luxury, there's also the 24-karat gold iPads that guests receive upon arrival, which are pre-programmed with access to all guest amenities and hotel information. At this hotel, you may live the life of royalty. So, would you like to stay in some of these hotels? Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Our other cool stuff is showing up right now, so grab a snack and check it out. Stay tuned and I'll see you next time.